Ladies and gentlemen, Vince here. Today we're checking out some money-making apps that will pay you real cash to play games, but are they really worth your time? Let's find out together. Hope you enjoy. First up, we have Fancy Flyer, make money. So everyone, this is what Fancy Flyer looks like as soon as you launch it up. You're literally thrown into the action instantly. Your goal is to fly around and avoid missiles while collecting tickets and power-ups. The longer you stay alive, the more money you actually generate, which I think is a great idea. If you're able to get both the missiles to collide as well, you'll get extra points. Now, while this game does sound pretty easy, it actually becomes very difficult as time goes on. I'm going to pick up a ticket here, which will give me a shield. So this will protect me from one missile. And there it goes already. I just picked up a power up there as well, which gives me a speed boost. So what I'm going to do is try and wait for the missile to go around. Yes, good. And hopefully a ticket will appear soon so I can get another shield. Oh my lord! And that's how that ends. Every time you hit game over, an advertisement will play. And I think this is how the developers will split the revenue with you, the players. So there is a streak system as well where you get extra points every single day that you play. Today I got 40 extra points. So that's pretty sweet, everyone. Top right corner of the screen, you can see your overall balance. I have 101 of these points. And if you're wondering, okay, what does that actually convert into? Every single day, your balance will get converted into IOTA currency. At the moment, I have 145,000 of the IOTA in this app, but you can actually choose what kind of currency you want to convert into, everyone. So we have various crypto coins there and straight up USD currency. Now, if you're wondering, okay, how much does the PayPal withdrawal cost? That is a $10 minimum, everyone, with a 10-day wait. So if I'm to convert my 141 points, that's going to give me half a cent worth of USD, which in the grand scheme of things really is not that much when there's a $10 minimum for PayPal. But let's just say you want to cash out the IOTA currency to a crypto wallet. 141 of my points will give me 14,700 of the currency. So let's do that now. Okay, that's done and the balance has been updated. So if you want to do this crypto side of things on the application, you need a wallet. They recommend you use Tangle Pay, which I'll set up for you now. To be fair, if you have a crypto wallet that supports IOTA, I'm sure it will support that also. Alright, so now that that wallet's set up, you can see my assets are $0, obviously. If we tap on the withdraw button now back on the app, I then enter in my full wallet address, and then I'm going to max out, obviously, all my currency and send it straight to that wallet. Do that now. It's processing. Here we go. Alright, so it should only take a minute, guys, so I'll check back in a moment. Alright, checking back on my balance, we have updated to 0.03 cents USD, everyone. Almost 4 cents there. So in reality, it might take around 10 to 15 minutes to generate around 3 to 4 cents USD. But the application is 100% legitimate, and they do pay instantly if you cash out crypto. Let's just be realistic here though. Is this really going to be an application for most people? More than likely not, but if you want to get your first taste of cryptocurrency, or if you want to grind all the way up to $10 USD, then this may be an option. At the end of the day, I do respect a legitimate application from Winner Games. Fancy Flyer is legit. It's probably not worth many people's time though. Completely up to you if you're going to use it or not, but at least now you know about it. Let's move on to the next app. I did just quickly want to say, if you guys enjoy what I do here on YouTube every single week, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for your support this year so far. I really appreciate it. Next up, we have Cash Block. Blast, earn money. So everyone, this is what Cash Block looks like. Top of the screen, you have 20 tries per day to generate cash. To the left of the energy, you can see my overall coins of almost 300,000. Now the game itself is actually pretty difficult, everyone. So until you actually beat the full stage, you're not going to get any type of reward. And this is what I mean when it comes to the difficulty, because sometimes these applications will let you just, open them up and then you can grind for a bit and you'll still get rewarded even if you don't beat the level. But that's just not the case here. You actually have to beat the full level in order to get the coin. So this may actually be annoying to some people out there, and I can 100% understand why, because you think you'd still get credited for even failing the level eventually if you play long enough, right? What ends up happening is that you can make a whole bunch of progress, but then you lose right at the end and you have to do the whole level again. And because the blocks are randomly spawned every time, it's not like you can really learn a strategy of sorts. You just have to really hope you get the right blocks. Granted, skill levels will be a factor here as well. If you're good at block matching games, you're going to be fine with this one, I suspect. I'm just not the best at them. So maybe it's my problem all in all. But this is another one of those little games that will give you small amounts of PayPal cash in order to play them. Ultimately, the goal is to watch advertisements all in all. I like to think of these games as like filler games in between the ads. Because realistically, that's what the developer pays you for, not really beating the levels. And if you're wondering, okay, how much do you actually get per level? I have to first beat the level in order to actually show you. At the top of the screen, you can see your objectives. I only have to match 2 of these tokens, and then I beat the level. Here we go, we're actually looking pretty decent here, everyone. Let's see if we can pull this off. Fingers crossed. No, I didn't, right at the end. That's exactly what I'm talking about. That's very annoying. And now the grind starts again. I kind of feel like a lot of people are going to get irritated with this one over time. If you actually got paid decently per level, that would make more sense. Alright, so I actually managed to beat the level, but now we can get the points. So again, we have to watch another ad, and I managed to generate 4,200 coins. But here's the kicker, everyone. That's because it's the first game of the day. They give you a 2 times bonus every day for the first level you complete. So realistically, that's 2,100 coins going forward today. So the minimum cash out is 20,000 points, and my 272,000 coins converts into 25 cents. So roughly 10,000 of the coins converts into 1 cent USD. Again, these developers are 100% legitimate. They do pay you within 1 day, usually everyone, so please keep that in mind. But at least here in Australia with Cashblock, I can only earn literally like 10 cents per day if I'm lucky. And with each level taking a few minutes minimum, in my opinion, I really don't think the time investment's there. But you can do whatever you want, at least now you know about it. Let's move on. Next up, we have WordBreeze. Alright everyone, so WordBreeze is from the developers Bling. Now, we've covered Bling on the channel before with various crypto and PayPal earning apps. And this is what it looks like when you first launch it up. Runs on a coin-based currency system. You have 20 tries per day. And there's even a hot streak system. This hot streak system will give you increases for your earning potential, but you have to continuously play the application on a daily basis in order to really keep up the chili currency. You have your challenges there that will give you the chilies, so I can play 1 game today to earn 5 chilies, play 5 games for 10 chilies, and play 10 games for 15 chilies. The more chilies we have, the more earning percentage bonus we manage to unlock for our account. If you miss 1 day, you lose 10 chilies. So let's break down exactly how much we can get today. Between every level, of course, there's an advertisement, and now the next reward will be 1,000 coins. Simply have to match the words and beat the level. So let's do that now, everyone. Pretty much, if you play any of these word matching games, you're going to be right at home with this one, guys, okay? And that's something that's nice to see. I don't know if you can see at the top of the screen, but you have 5 levels to complete before you get your coin reward. Thankfully, while you're in the levels themselves, there's no ad until you beat the set matches needed. Okay, so that's level 14 done. We are now on the coin earning stage. So it is guaranteed every 5 levels you generate the coins. Okay, that's done. We've now used up one of our tries today, and I just generated 1,000 of the coins, guys. Now, to get a real accurate sign on how many coins you can generate, I'm going to complete another set of levels just in case. Because remember, a lot of these apps are based on ads. Alright, so about to fill in the last level here. Here we go. That is done, and we've just generated 610 coins, everyone. Now, on the grand scheme of things here, we have to figure out, is that actually a lot for our time? Because at the moment, we're roughly looking at around 600 to 1,000 coins per level, which would give us roughly 20,000 coins or so per day. Something else to quickly mention, if you're stuck on a word or, you can't figure out something in the game, you can actually get assistance by using gems. I currently have 401 gems that I got from completing levels. And the bottom right corner of the screen, you can actually see that you have a little hint system there. Or if you tap the little wand, it will actually let you reveal a letter. When you do an extra word that still counts but doesn't really contribute towards completing the level, you get a gem. So let's just say I want to try and cash out my 1,641 coins. Tapping on the cash out button will allow you to choose from 3 different options here. Coinbase, Lightning Wallet, and PayPal. Let's go PayPal. In order to actually withdraw your PayPal currency, you're going to need around 11,000 of the coins, which with these Bling apps, around 10,000 of the coins converts into 1 cent USD in my own experience here in Australia. So realistically, you need 1 cent USD minimum. So if we're to break that down, every single day, I can generate literally around 2 to 3 cents at the current ad rate here. Now, I have absolutely no doubt that WordBreeze will pay you. They're from Bling, as I said, a very reputable developer, but anything that's really under like $1 per day minimum, in my opinion, really is not worth the time. And we're talking about like a few cents per day here in Australia. Bling does pay instantly though, guys, so completely up to you what you want to do, but that's just my opinion on it. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. I will speak to you all soon. Stay safe out there. Check out my channel for almost 1,000 money-making reviews.